To bake a perfect layer cake, grease your baking pans thoroughly, or line them with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Once you've mixed up your batter, divide it equally among the pans to ensure even layers. To help the cakes cook more evenly, wrap damp cake strips or pieces of torn up kitchen towel around the outside of each pan. Cook the cakes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, since a lower baking temperature will help them stay flat. If the recipe calls for a higher temperature, give the cake some extra time. For example, instead of baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, bake the cake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. The cakes are done when a toothpick or cake tester inserted into the middle comes out clean. Turn the cakes out onto a wire rack, then chill them for at least 1 hour so they're easier to cut and frost. If the layers domed during baking, saw off the top with a serrated knife to create a flat surface. Put the first layer down on a cake board and spread on a layer of frosting or filling on top. Then, stack another layer on top of the first. Repeat this process for all your layers of cake. Spread a very thin layer of frosting over the top and sides of the complete stack to catch any crumbs. Then chill the cake for 30 minutes to set the frosting. Use an offset spatula to spread a thicker layer of frosting over the outside of the cake. Chill it for another 30 minutes, and then apply any decorations you like.